Hello and welcome to gotstockz. The bulls are back in town, so let's take a look and see why. We're going to look at some of the fundamentals. We're going to look at technical analysis for some potential trading or investing setups and ideas. So let's get into the charts. Hello and welcome to gotstockz. So today we're going to do an analysis on Dow Jones Industrial Average. We're going to look at some peaks and valleys, some highs and lows of the COVID era. And then we also want to look at the bear market of 2022, some highs and lows of that era. And then when this market turned around and it's been in a bullish phase for the past year. Let's take a look at the charts and be careful, buckle up and enjoy the ride. February 12th. The high was 29,568, closed at 29,551, and the volume was 309,528,980. The next few days we kind of consolidated and we started breaking down. And if you come down into the bottom area here, this is where the volume starts to pick up in the downdraft of the COVID crash. This went on until March 23rd of 2020. This was a crash. It didn't last that long, but there was a lot of devastation done, but it's good buying opportunities. Anytime the market crashes or has these pullbacks, these are great opportunities to put more money into the market. The bulls are definitely trying to get in control of this market. The bears have taken over and is just pushing this thing down to the ground. And so the bears have control until we get into this area here. March 24th, 2020. Look at the candle. The whole market gapped up and then took off to the races. Takes off for a few days, comes back and retests this area. So this is the beginning of the next bull phase. We went from March 23rd in a bull phase all the way until January 5th of 2022. On January 5th of 2022, that was the beginning of the bear market. This lasted until October 13th of 2022. We have a double bottom that formed. The bulls have had enough. We are taking over this market. Well, here we go. We're off to the races. Here's our resistance point. This channel here, if you look at this yellow line from this point here, the market hit it, backs off, hits it, backs off. So this is resistance through here. But when it hit it here, it backs off. It hits it, it breaks through, it backs off, and then it gaps up through there. Big institutions, that's who's moving this market. So here we go. It backs off and it touches this trend line. We bounce off, we come back down to the trend line and we hit off of it again. So here we are, we're in a consolidation period for several months. If this area here gives us a level of support, what is this? We have support here, we have support here to this area of support, which is right in through here. And it breaks through it, comes back and closes above the trend line, and then we are off to the races again. The bull market started here, a consolidation period through here, touches the support area and takes off again. We've been in a bullish phase in the market. This is October 27th. The open is 32,782, the close is 32,417. I know there's a lot of numbers. Get your head wrapped around some of this stuff. It will definitely make more sense. Well, thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting the channel. We really appreciate it because at the end of the day, we're all in this together. The longer you're in this industry, the more you respect it. At the end of the day, the bulls get fed, the bears get fed, but the pigs get fed. February 23rd, 2024, closed at 39,131. The high of the day, an all-time high of 39,282.28. in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The market has been on a tear. We've gapped up a couple of days ago. We should be looking for a pullback here somewhere. Where is a good place to enter? If you're not in already and you want to get into the market, we're definitely going to be in for a correction. When is that going to happen? We have no idea. And if anybody tells you that they know, run, because we use technical analysis to give us guidelines of where we can get in and get out, depending on what your time frame is and what your trading plan is. Be careful. The market is very risky. Treat it like a business. Entries and exits, use trend lines, moving averages, stops, manage your risk. Depends on your time frame. Every person is different. Every situation, every foundation is different. You want to make sure you have a nice solid foundation before you start buying individual stocks. And that will complete our analysis of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Today is February 23rd, 2024.
Thank you for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful and brings value to your process. Be careful when trading and investing in the stock market. It's very risky. All the information is time sensitive. And if we bring value to your process, show us some love, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and always remember to dot your I's, cross your T's, and don't forget the Z. Happy investing.